Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a trick on how to add background in Google Docs. One thing to remember, there is no any built-in feature on the Google Docs to add the background using your mobile phone. So, today I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to add background to your Google Docs. So, let's get started. Find the Google Docs, now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add some backgrounds to. Scroll down and tap on it. Now to add the background, tap onto the pencil icon which is right here. Then tap onto the table of the document like this. Now there is a paint icon right here. Simply tap on it and choose one color that you want to add to your background like this. Now you can choose more colors on the more tables that you want to add, just like this. After choosing the colors, you can see the background color has been changing and it looks more beautiful and unique. And that's it. This is how you can add background in the Google Docs. Using this simple trick makes your document look more unique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.